I guess maybe one thing that Jillian Michaels said when I interviewed her, she said, it's best because I did do some radical stuff in some of the journeys I talked to you about with the no fat, no oil, no animal products. She really believes it's best to have all macros and to think of yourself, like I said, at the other end, like what is it going to be like to be the weight you want to be or the physical fitness, the peak performance rate that you want. What's that going to be like when you get there? And that's motivating.
2, 3. So if you were to relate success to a chalkboard, how is success like a chalkboard?
Like a chalkboard because, well, if you write down where you're going and what you want to do, I think you have a better chance of getting there. That's really an old adage, but it is true.
Well, great. Well, that's how success is like a chalkboard.